How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. We're going to have a seed and plant swap on the 10th of April here in the Midlands of Ireland, and we'd like to invite all of you, anyone that wants to come along. The main aim of the event is actually to finally have a get together with the Gardens for Life audience and to get to meet our audience too in person, but also to empower people, to give them the knowledge and even some seeds to start their own gardens and grow their own food as well, and some plants that are good for the environment, like the insectary plants, like the pollinator plants and medicinal plants, of course. It's a free event, so entry is actually free. We're going to do a raffle on the day to cover the costs. Gardens for Life are going to donate a whole bunch of prizes to the raffle, just for the crack, and just to give people something to look forward to as well. And we're going to actually announce our new membership program at the event. And for those of you who can't actually attend, don't worry, we're going to make the memberships available to everybody afterwards on the internet as well. Even if you don't have any seeds or plants to swap for, you're very welcome to come along anyway and take a look at what else is going on and talk to like-minded gardeners about your gardening projects or what to plant when and all the rest. And I'm sure everybody will get to take home some starts for plants, or even some plants and seeds as well. We've got plenty of seeds that we're actually going to donate to the seed swap itself. So we're not going to follow any particular model of how seed swaps are generally done. We're simply going to let people decide as they come in. You can either walk around and swap people for what you have, what seeds and plants you have, but or you can just put them on a table. We'll be providing those, and you can just take a look at what other seeds and plants there are that you would like to bring home with you and simply take them away. And even if you don't have any seeds or plants to bring and to swap or donate, don't worry, there'll be plenty for everybody. So the seed and plant swap will actually be held in Colleen Hall on Sunday, the 10th of April, and it'll be starting at 1 p.m. and finishing at 5 p.m. And we're going to organise some talks at the event as well, just some short talks. I'm going to give a talk on, you've guessed it, no-dig gardening, and a little bit about forest gardening and plant propagation thrown in as well. And if you'd like to give a talk yourself, please send us an email and we'll consider it. And if you have any prizes to donate to the raffle, please bring them along. We'd highly appreciate it. If you have a company and you want to sponsor the event, please give us a shout. You can send us an email, contact@gardensforlife.ie. So we hope to see some of you there on the 10th of April, and thanks for watching the video. Please give us a thumbs up if you don't mind, and please share it with your friends. Thanks, all the best. In the meantime, if you want to support the work we do, please consider going over to our online shop and take a look at what kind of plants and cuttings and tubers we have for sale. Please bear in mind that the winter selection is nearly finishing as spring is coming on and all the plants are starting to grow. Any support is highly appreciated. Thanks very much.